excited I got this car, Monica, for $500. That's Monica. Look at that. It has its bad things, but overall it's in good shape. Look at that. It doesn't have door handle, but you can open putting your finger out there. Just bought them for $16, so I might install very soon. Has leather seats, of course. It's screwed up, but I mean, some work there. Panel and gauges look pretty good. Has subwoofer, of course. The headings, I think that's how it's called. It's falling off, but I'm gonna redo it myself. The seats, the guy put it down because he was doing something with the subwoofer back there, which I don't really care about, so I'm gonna sell it. And that's it, dude. It's like my $500 drivable project. It's actually registered, but I'm going to register my name now. Change maybe a sensor or two and go through the inspection, you know, make this baby shine. And that's it. Monica, later.
You can do it, and you will get there.